Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can follow a person that has posted a pin on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, open the pin whose user you want to follow. Now, you will see a follow icon. Tap on it. And that's it. You've just followed the user that have posted a pin on Pinterest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.